Introducing QuantumMind A.I, your trusted partner in artificial intelligence consulting and solutions. Experience the power of cutting-edge technologies, revolutionizing businesses in every industry. With our expertise, we help you harness the potential of AI to drive innovation and achieve unprecedented growth. Our team of experts is dedicated to understanding your unique business needs and delivering tailored solutions. From data analysis to machine learning algorithms, we provide comprehensive guidance in AI services, ensuring accuracy and efficiency. Unlock your data's hidden insights and make data-driven decisions with advanced analytics tools. Maximize your business outcomes with our AI-driven predictive modeling capabilities. We provide custom AI solutions that enhance customer experiences and boost operational efficiency. Implement intelligent chatbots to optimize customer support and automate repetitive tasks. With QuantumMind A.I, you can automate complex processes, saving time and resources for your organization. Leverage AI to gain a competitive edge in the market and stay ahead of your competitors. We specialize in developing AI strategies to identify use cases and maximize the potential benefits of AI implementations in your business, enabling smarter decision-making and unlocking growth potential. Our experienced team can help you integrate AI into your existing systems seamlessly, ensuring a smooth transition. Let QuantumMind A.I take your business to new heights with the power of artificial intelligence. Ready to dive into the world of AI? We are here to help. Contact us at QuantumMindAILLC@gmail.com. Visit us at www.quantummindAILLC.com.